Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your name on Epic Games account. If you want to change your name on Epic Games, first of all, go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher on your device and log into your account. From the home page, tap on your name at the bottom left corner, which will then open up this pop-up where you'll need to tap on Manage Account. Now, this will take you to your epicgames.com website from where you can change your account info. This will then open up this account settings page. You will then need to go ahead and click on the pencil icon right next to your display name under account information. Now enter the new display name you want to change to. Once you change your name, you will not be able to change it again for 2 weeks. So make sure you check this box as well at the bottom, write down your name and make sure that you don't want to change it again within 2 weeks, and finally click confirm. And that way you have successfully changed your display name on Epic Games. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Epic Games tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.